Tired of constantly weeding your garden? It's a time-consuming task, isn't it? But what if there was a natural, fuss-free way to keep those pesky weeds at bay? Enter ground cover plants, nature's own weed suppressants. If you're seeking a natural, low-maintenance solution, introducing the top 5 ground cover plants for weed suppression. First on our list is creeping thyme. This hardy perennial is not just a feast for the eyes with its vibrant purple flowers, but it's also a star performer in weed suppression. Its dense growth habits leave no room for weeds. So for a pretty and fragrant garden, consider creeping thyme. Second up is sweet woodruff. Known for its vibrant green foliage and delicate white flowers, this ground cover plant thrives in shady conditions. Its dense growth pattern makes it a natural deterrent to weeds. Sweet woodruff, an ideal choice for those shady garden spots. Third on the list is vinca minor, also known as periwinkle. This resilient plant boasts beautiful flowers, forming a dense carpet that actively suppresses weed growth. Hardy yet graceful, for a beautiful ground cover, vinca minor is your go-to. Last but not least, we have sedum and ajuga. Sedum, a remarkable plant with exceptional drought tolerance, thrives even in the harshest conditions. Its dense, succulent foliage forms a robust carpet, leaving no room for weeds to creep in. On the other hand, ajuga's claim to fame is its rapid growth. Its vibrant, glossy leaves spread swiftly, outpacing and outcompeting unwanted invaders. In essence, both plants provide a unique aesthetic while actively suppressing weed growth. For a tough terrain or a fast-growing solution, sedum and ajuga have got you covered. There you have it, the top 5 ground cover plants that can help you fight those pesky weeds naturally. Creeping thyme, sweet woodruff, vinca minor, sedum, and ajuga. Each with its own unique charm. Not only add beauty to your garden, but also keep those weeds at bay. They're nature's own weed suppressants that save you both time and effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!